Have you ever pondered the workings of an air conditioner? How does this marvelous machine transform a sweltering summer day into a cool, comfortable haven? Today, we'll unravel this mystery together. Imagine a bustling city on a hot summer day. The sun is beating down, the heat is almost tangible, and then you step into an air-conditioned room. A wave of cool, refreshing air washes over you. It's akin to stepping into a different world, isn't it? So how does this incredible transformation occur? To understand this, we need to delve into the inner workings of an air conditioner. An air conditioner operates on a simple principle. Heat always flows from a higher temperature to a lower temperature. This principle is the basis of the refrigeration cycle that an air conditioner employs to cool your room. The air conditioner consists of four main components: the compressor, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the evaporator. All these parts work together in a continuous cycle of condensation and evaporation. The journey begins with the compressor. This component acts like the heart of the system, pumping refrigerant through the air conditioner. It compresses the refrigerant, raising its temperature and pressure. Next, the hot, high-pressure refrigerant flows into the condenser. Here, it dissipates its heat to the outside air. As it cools, it transforms from a gas into a liquid. The liquid refrigerant then passes through the expansion valve. This valve reduces the pressure of the refrigerant, causing it to cool down significantly. Finally, the cold refrigerant enters the evaporator. Here, it absorbs heat from the room's air, cooling it down. As it absorbs heat, the refrigerant evaporates back into a gas, and the cycle begins anew. So, in essence, an air conditioner works by transferring heat from inside your room to the outside, thereby cooling the room. It achieves this through a continuous cycle of compression, condensation, expansion, and evaporation. To summarize, an air conditioner is a heat transporter. It takes the heat from your room and transfers it outside, leaving your room cooler. It does this by circulating a refrigerant through a cycle of stages, each stage changing the state of the refrigerant and thus its temperature. So the next time you seek solace from the summer heat in an air-conditioned room, take a moment to appreciate the complex process that makes this comfort possible. The everyday magic of an air conditioner is indeed a marvel of modern engineering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.